that night, the way you looked but couldn't meet my eyes. One suitcase by the door, one tear on your face, and then you turned around and walked away. I thought you'd come back before the morning light. I stayed awake, hoping I was right, but the sun came up on an empty room, and silence filled the space you used to move. I kept your picture by my bed, holding on to words we never said. The night you walked away, you took a part of me I can't replace. Now every road leads back to yesterday, and every memory still knows your name. The night you walked away, the stars went dark, the colors turned to gray. I've tried to move on, but my heart still stays. In the moment you walked away, your coffee cup is still upon the shelf. I guess I never learned to help myself. I keep replaying every last goodbye, searching for a reason, asking why. If love was meant to fade with time, why are you still crossing my mind? The night you walked away, you took a part of me I can't replace. Now every road leads back to yesterday, and every memory still knows your name. Maybe someday I'll find the strength to let go of what remains, but tonight I'm still standing here, lost inside the rain.